Hello, everyone. This is Luca. Welcome to your English speaking practice.
Today, we will learn how to talk about ourselves. I will say a sentence, then you repeat. Let's begin. First, let's learn greetings. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hello. Now let's talk about your name. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. You can call me Alex. You can call me Alex. Good. Now let's talk about your country. I am from Canada. I am from Canada. I come from Canada. I come from Canada. Excellent. Let's talk about your age. I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. I am in my 20s. I am in my 20s. Very good. Now let's talk about your job or what you study. I am a student. I am a student. I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. Wonderful. Let's practice talking about where you live. I live in a big city. I live in a big city. I live in a small town. I live in a small town. You are doing great. Now let's talk about your free time. In my free time, I like to read. In my free time, I like to read. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy listening to music. Finally, let's learn how to end the conversation. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for listening. That is the end of our practice. You did a great job today. Remember, practice is very important. Listen to this audio again to improve. Repeating these sentences will help you speak English with more confidence. Thank you for practicing with me.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more English speaking practice.
Goodbye.